How to create a YouTube channel with parental controls. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open any browser on your device. Then, in your browser, simply search youtube.com and log into your account. Then, at the bottom right, click on You. After you've clicked on You, you will find your profile. Click on the setting at the top right corner of your screen. In here, you'll find General, which is the second option. Click on it. After you click on General, it will expand. And in here, you'll find Restricted Mode. Simply turn it on. After you turn it on, it helps hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. This setting only applies to this browser. You can do this on your browser or your app. And this is how to create a YouTube channel with parental controls. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.